Hi everyone, today in this video I will tell you how to use WhatsApp on 4 devices even without using internet. So let's begin. Here are some tips on how you can do this. Go to your smartphone and open WhatsApp first. Then choose Linked Devices from the three-dot menu in the top right corner. A login screen for WhatsApp web will appear. Then simply tap on Multi-Device Beta, then select Join Beta. Once you have done this, return to the Line Devices page and select the Linked a Device button. Then visit web.whatsapp.com and connect it to your secondary device. Then take a picture of the QR code on your secondary device using the camera of your smartphone. Now, with WhatsApp web linked to your smartphone, you can use WhatsApp without a smartphone at all. This shows that your WhatsApp will be used on both devices. Also, you will not have to keep your smartphone connected to the internet for using WhatsApp. But using WhatsApp multi-device support comes up with some limitations too. Now let's discuss them. You will not be able to delete conversations or messages from the WhatsApp web. Messages will only be exchanged with the people who are using the updated version of WhatsApp. Among 4 connected devices, only one will be your smartphone and the rest 3 can be your desktop or laptop computer. All linked devices will be disconnected from the WhatsApp account in case you forget to use your primary phone for 14 days. This means you have to use WhatsApp once every couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like, share and subscribe as well.